Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I want to share with you how I created my dancing birds animations. I'll show you how I created two animations of dancing birds. As always, I didn't record my process of creating in Procreate Dreams, but I have step-by-step process. As always, rough sketches, line art and color. You can see it here. If you subscribe to the channel, you know that every 100 subscribers I celebrate with new dancing bird. And these birds dance different dances. I don't know much about dancing and what various types of dancings are. Soon I need to draw my new animation because there are 900 of you and I really appreciate it. Thank you everyone for subscribing. I haven't started this animation yet, but I'll start it soon. What inspired me to draw these animations? I was watching dancing videos, tango and Macarena. You can see it here. This was my reference videos. And as you can see, my animations are far from perfect. Mostly because you can see how lazy I was when I was drawing Macarena. Because Macarena have this... It doesn't have these quick motions when you do this. It's more slow, it's more soft gestures, and I didn't do it. So, but it's okay. I'll work on it in my next animations. And since Macarena song has copyright, I tried to sing it on my own. And since I'm not a singer, this video is really funny. So I decided that I want to also add my attempts to sing in this video. Enjoy. Sorry about your ears.
I'm gonna sing this song.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing this song by my own because this song has copyright. Hope I can smart YouTube algorithm. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for subscribing. I hope your ears are not bleeding right now because I'm really trying this hard. I cannot sing, but I can animate. Thank you for subscribing.
When I have 1,000 subscribers, I have an idea how to create animation with dancing birds. Project will be fun because I have an idea about how to animate and record something. And if all of you who subscribe to me are not unsubscribed after this, then it means that you are the most loyal people in the world. And I appreciate it. Yesterday I posted a video about how I create this sculpture. This is sculpture from Sculptural Plasticine. This is dog called Tatoshka. I'll add a photo of this dog and you can see that this dog looks like nothing like Tatoshka, but it's okay, at least I've tried. So today I'm planning to make a silicone mold. You won't see this in this video, I'll edit in the next videos, because I want to make this sculpture out of powder plaster. I'll watch YouTube videos of professional artists and sculptors about how to make this plaster sculpture. And since there are many talented, cool artists and sculptors out there on YouTube, I don't think it would be a problem for me to mimic what I see and create a sculpture. I hope everything will be okay. Have you ever thought that we live in a beautiful time when you can find on the internet everything? While finding everything on the internet causes some problems like overload with information, at the same time we don't need to go to the masters who would teach us how to do things. I mean, we can do it, but also there are videos on YouTube. You can watch it and create everything you want. Well, at least try to create everything you want. I think this is perfect. Or you know, when people need to write essays for school or university, and there was time when they needed to go to library or to go to the old sensei who would help them with information. Now you just have Google, you can find everything. And not only Google, you can find everything on internet, and this is cool. And my lamp just died. You can see probably how I became more dark than I already am. Why is my lamp died? Okay. Ah, fuck it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Now I have to make a sculpture. Wish me luck. Bye.